executive capacity. And Brock Lesnar just attacks Triple H in the loose cannon, the unstable, unpredictable Brock Lesnar went right after Triple H, assaulting and ambushing him.
I mean, Brock Lesnar just absolutely snapped. He was all over Triple H. And look at this. Finally, though, Triple H. Oh, yeah. Triple H mounted some offense. I think he stunned Brock Lesnar, but then that knee.
Yeah, this right here, the Kimura submission hold. Brock Lesnar had Triple H suffering. Now watch this. Watch this here. Here's where the damage is done. Brock Lesnar.
Oh, man.
And Triple H at that point believed his arm was broken. Triple H was helpless and defenseless before the locker room emptied. The cavalry came down to the ring to protect the COO, but the damage had been done. Brock Lesnar, in effect, in my estimation, fired himself here tonight.
Well, you got to wonder what kind of consequences that Brock Lesnar is going to have to face after that savage attack on the COO of this company.